Alright, and of course, let's go to our hump, starting with hump number 4. Welcome back as well, right there. Ayan, si Brother Kevin. Alright, alam mo na to, you know the drill. Here you go.
First of all, good evening everyone, and kay Venus Tingano, thank you sa pumunta. Ingat sa pag-uwi.
Grabe, wala mga announcement, pinaka-uwi mo na, brother, no, talaga. Alright, that is, of course, Kevin, welcome back. And we have here, hump number 5. Ayan. Brother, ikaw naman.
Mahaya pa lang daw kay kayuhan, kay tao, kaning mo lady. Ali, sobrang saya ing aranasan ko kanin. Yako po James na taga Pampanga. Good evening everyone, and just enjoy the pageant po.
Maraming salamat. Halaan mo, nagulat ako. Ang tahimik niya, very short siya. Tapos biglang, ang dami ng energy. Baka natin, of course, yung hump number 5. Yan. Saan ka sa Pampanga, bro?
Sa palit po.
Maraming salamat. Of course, let's move on to hump number 3.
Everyone, thank you for coming tonight. I am Alexander Mendoza from Bulacan. Ano po?
Alright, Alex, sila yung mga humps sila natin. Very short and sweet every time they give their messages. Talagang tahimik lang. Kaya kuno sa'yo. Brother, if you guys have any businesses as well, if you guys want to promote, kung meron kayong merong seafood business, meron promote group, of course, si Baby Number 1. Kindly do so kasi sa person platform para maraming makaalam how are you going to be contacted. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, it's really, really important to reach out to people. Kasi gano'n na talaga naman. Everyone's out there na talaga. Kaya it's very, very tight. Every time you get a chance to shine, of course, be connected with people, gamitin mo kagad yung opportunity na yan. Last 2 humps, ang number 2.
Good evening everyone. First of all, thank you sa mga sumuporta at pumunta. Mahal ko kayo. Jesse Fernandez from Valenzuela.
Grabe talaga, mag-alawa talaga pag na Jessie. Valenzuela. Dami chick boy siguro na si Jessie, no? Siguro pinapayak na to, no? Alright, brother, now let's move on. Last but not least, hump number 1.
Good evening everyone, my name is Ray Paldonado Jr. Yung naalagay din na, follow niyo ako sa TikTok, FB, saka sa Insta, Ray Paldonado Jr. Thank you guys.
Alright, I said there is Ray. Ray pala yan. Grabe. Di ko kasalanan yung bro kasi sila yung excellent. But congratulations to you. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, patuloy tayo.